Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. So let's get in there. Let's go draw him. So I think what we should do is start off with an eye. So he's got big round eyes. So let's do the left eye. And we're just going to pop in a big sort of circular area like that. And then just underneath, he's got a crazy cheek. So just like a little C underneath there. Then he's kind of got another eye, but I think just underneath he's kind of got, if you do a little curve like that, he's got his nose. So I'm just going to draw his nose up, big round curve around and down like that. Then we can do the rest of his eye, which kind of continues from the top of that nose area. So I'm just going to do from that nose area just to go around and then over. Okay, cool. Then what I can do is continue this kind of curve down just a bit here for his top of his lip, out like that. Let's do a curve down, around, up, and then a little sort of cheeky smile in there. Then we're going to do is like rest of his mouth and jaw area, so that kind of goes down like that, around and up, not quite to the top because there's a tooth in there. So let's just do a little rectangle tooth here, like that. And then another just beside it, like that. Let's put a little tongue in, so that's just going to be curved like that. And then another one just there. Yeah. Alright, cool. Okay, next up, let's just do the frame of his head, sort of the SpongeBob head around here. So if we just start here at the bottom, just underneath his chin, just do some wobbly lines around like that, go around the corner. Keep wobbling up, sort of tape around like so here, and then down the back, and then down like this. We've got a little line here, we can just do another wavy line, like so. There we go, that's cool. Just left a little gap here. What we're going to do is do like a little curve area for his shirt. So curve around like that, okay? Got another arm here, so I'm just going to do a curve around like that. This area here I can just continue now, and then just work in like that. Okay, let's get this arm done. It's got two lines like that, and a long line of an arm there, and it's got kind of like pointing, so I'm going to do his thumb, just like a curve around and up, then two fingers here. So let's go from the joint of his arm, just go up, down, a bit like the thumb again really. Just draw another little curve there. Now I can pop his thumb like springing out here. Spring that up, around, down. A few little pop marks there, like a zoom. Alright, let's just do this arm here. So this is a weirdly shorter arm, so two lines down like that. Okay, then we can come out, just draw a thumb, and then we'll just make it easy for ourselves. Just curve around 1, 2, 3, and join it. Alright, cool. Now I can do another line here, just like that, okay? And then from this area where this kind of like the joint is, where his wrist is, I'm going to come out like this at an angle, and we're going to go quite straight along to here. Then we're just going to join that up, like that, okay? Let's pop his tie in. So he's got little tie area there, just taper it out, bring it in like that. Okay, it's got a collar as well. That's just going to be like two little V's, 1 and then 2. Cool. Okay, next up, it's kind of like his shirt and his trousers here. So he's got another straight line from about this point here. So we're just going to do a line straight across like so. Same here, we're just going to bring the line to there. Then let's just join that up, a bit of an angle again, okay? Alright, then he's got his kind of super shorts on for his trousers. They kind of just little blobs here, so just round out there. We'll just do another one, just sort of round out here to there, okay? Two straight legs. They're going to come down to about here, so 1, 2 line to there, really straight, 2 lines there, okay? Got these like crazy shoes on, so I'm just going to do a little curve where his shoes would start. curve around here, straight down, curve around here, straight down. Then we've got curve there, and then we can just bring that out and around like that. Same here, bring that out around like that. Just mark the shoes off, like straight there, okay? It's a little line, little circle where the light would be. Just going to pop that in, and do you know what, let's just colour that in black now. Great, that's done. Let's just pop a little bit of detail in now. Okay, so let's start at the bottom. He's got his socks on. Just gonna do two little curves there to denote those. Along his trousers, he's got like a belt line, so a little line goes in here. Some nice straight areas, one there, and then one that kind of matches up here. That's it. Same on this side, so this comes out from the tie area. So filled in rectangle, same there as well, okay? Alright, cool. As we kind of work up now, he's kind of got a little bit of a lip area, so I'm just going to go in, down and around and up there. And a couple little freckles in here. And then let's do his eyes. So he's got quite wide eyes, so I'm going to do a big circle and then a smaller circle inside that, so it's kind of looking a little bit cross-eyed. So I'm going to do a circle like that, and then same on the other side, so he's looking inwards. Then within this circle I'm going to do a black circle. Okay, great. And then he's got his classic signature eyelashes, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's just ground him, so maybe just give him kind of like a bit of a sandy bottom kind of looking ground. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's go in there now, get a nice yellow colour, classic SpongeBob sponge, and let's colour that in. So let's get all those areas coloured up. I see the yellow. Get that colour on there. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you can. That would be great. Thank you. Legs here for his spongy legs. And if you're enjoying it, please like and subscribe. Okay, this is going good. Nice. Let's get the rest of this colour done. Then we can have a bit of fun with the detail then. Next up, we're just going to get a bit of a sort of yellowy greeny colour. We're just going to get the kind of like circles around his spongy bits filled in, so it's like yellowy green. Just colour that over the top of the yellow. Just pop them in there. Okay, that's cool. Next up, just going to get a kind of like darker red colour. That's going to be his mouth, back of his mouth area, and this will make the white teeth really pop. Cool. Next up, got it in my hand, got the pink, that's for his tongue. Little pink in there, a little bit of zing. Just get a lighter red colour, sort of more zingy red. Do that for his tie. Yeah, he's also got on his socks, he's got a little bit of red just on there. Next up, just get a brown. And we'll just do his trousers, so just put this one in. Give that a bit of a hit on this side, show a bit of a punch of the shadow, and then we can fill the rest in. Cool, okay. Just seen on his socks as well, just get that blue colour. At the top of his socks, it's got a little bit of blue going on there. Alright, and then really importantly, it's got sort of vibrant zingy blue eyes, so pop that in there. Alright, a tiny little bit of shadow here, blue, so it's got to pop that in there too. And then what I think I'll do, just get that brown again, we'll just sort of put a little bit in sort of that sort of sandy effect around here, and let's just get yellow. So just put that in there. Yeah, that's it. Mix the colours a little bit. Get the idea of the sand. Alright, okay. So that is SpongeBob SquarePants on Art Draw. Thanks for watching.